Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, launch the Twitter app on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your Twitter account. Once you're on this Twitter homepage, now from the very top left corner of your screen you will see your profile. Tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on there, you will see this dialog box, and in here at the very bottom of the list you will see settings and support option. Tap on there and then scroll up. From there again tap on settings and privacy. That will land you to this interface. Now again from there look for an option that says privacy and safety. Once you see that, tap on privacy and safety, and again you will see this interface. From here tap on content UC from the third of the list. Then after you will see this interface. Now here at the very top you will see an option that says display media that contains sensitive content, and in here if you have turned on that toggle you can simply turn off that toggle and your Twitter sensitive content settings will be turned off. So this is how you can simply turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.